Hello everyone, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to sync all your contacts to iCloud from your iPhone. So if your iPhone is logged into a Apple ID account but you still cannot see your contacts on your phone, then this video is for you. So let's get started. Firstly, you need to make sure that your account is connected to an Apple ID account, as mine is connected here already. If it is not, then make sure to sign into your Apple ID from your phone. So the next thing you want to do is click on your Apple ID, then scroll a little bit down to iCloud. Then as you can see here, there are photos, ID drives, ID mail, and here you can find phone, and make sure that this option is turned on. And after that is turned on, you can also make sure that your contacts is turned on. So this will enable your contacts to your iPhone from your iCloud as well, so you can get all your contacts in one place. So this is a quick and easy video on how to do so. If you like this video, please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have more suggestions, leave it on the drop box below. It's Amelie signing off. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys. Bye bye.